How to change the wax filters of Unitron hearing aids. Step 1. Take off your rubber dome. Pinch and peel over. Open your CeruStop wax filter packet. Split it in half and pull out one of these little sticks. There's the fresh filter, and this side's got a little barb to click in and pull out the existing filter. Hold it with a firm grip, line up nice and straight, push and pull away, and it's removed that existing filter. Flip it over 180 degrees and let's guide that fresh filter into place. You push straight in, pull away, and it's left that fresh filter behind. Let's just dispose of our used filter. And then to put your new dome on, lie it on its, put it down on the table, pick up the very tip. There's the little rubber socket. We need to line that up nice and straight. You'll feel it fold over the little serrated edge, giving it a bit of a twist just to make sure it's firmly locked on there. There we have it. We've replaced our wax filter and our dome of our Unitron receiver in the canal style hearing aid.
Harmony, harmony.